Hello and welcome to this episode of Auto Tutorials by Levonotion Studios. Hi, I'm Lydia, and in this very episode I'm going to show you how you can exclude a mesh from denoising in Blender. Let's get started. So I have this character, her name is Cindy. She's an extract from AfroLyfe character female. She was generated with AfroLyfe character female. And she has this outfit that has glitter on it, and anytime I render the glitter, because I use very small sample, I think about 32, okay, this is 64, because it's quite small, the glitter just gets blurred out and you won't see the details of the glitter. I don't know if you can see it from there. So the glitter just gets blurred out. So to exclude this particular outfit from denoising, so I'm going to show you how to do that now. So I'm going to open a new scene. I'll just call it Cindy Exclude, and I've prepared the scene. This scene already has set up, but we'll start from scratch. So now I have this character linked into this scene, and let me do a test render so you can see. And I'm rendering out the character, and right now you can see the glitter, but after denoising, it's taking a while because of the recording. So after denoising, you see it's not looking so good. The glitter is gone, and to activate the denoising on just the body and leaving this outfit out, you go to compositing, make sure use node is on, and then let me select render. And then after doing that, so right here, Control Shift to preview. So this is the noisy image and this is the actual image. So I'm using node wrangler to Control Shift click to go through these options here. So image, and this is the noisy image. So I want to mix the image with the noisy image. And how do we do this? We use Clip-to-Matte. So just go to Shift A, go under mask, Clip-to-Matte, click. So now we want to bring in the matte ID, and the matte ID is the name of the object, like the object data. So you select the outfit and go under object data, one piece 16. So right now this is because I linked it in, so I'll just break it and copy the name, Ctrl C, then go under compositing and then paste, Ctrl V. So after doing that, so it's going to exclude it, and we have to mix these two, the image and the noisy image. So you go to Shift A, and then under color, you go to mix alpha over. So you want to mix this with this. So right now it's either 0 or 1, but this is going to be our matte, so just put it here in fact. And so it's not showing because we've not activated Clip-to-Matte in the scene. So you come here and then you activate objects. So now render the image. Render. So now you can see the outfit is excluded from the noise, and the body is as the denoise, but the outfit is excluded. Now you can see the glitter from the outfits, and the body is smoothed out. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video. Make sure you like, subscribe to Levonotion Studios if you've not done so, and until next time, stay true to your creativity. Bye.